What are the requirements in order to learn LCM? Because every factor can be written as, why we are taking only the least? Why not the highest common multiple? Why we are taking highest common factor? Why not least common factor? I am here, no fear. Tan ko pakadna namumkin. -5. Tell me. Ting 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 ting. Minus infinity. 0 to plus infinity. These are called, I want to teach you even numbers. Why did I write here divisible? Why didn't I write multiple? If you take any three numbers and middle number is even number, hope you are comfortable with these notations. Whether you can do this way or not, I am teaching you. I am not telling this is the correct way. Hello winners, a warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today I welcome you to lecture 16. 16, yes. What I am going to explain today to you. We'll see LCM concept. What are the requirements in order to learn LCM and HCF? What is LCM? What is HCF? LCM means least common multiple. Hope you all know this, right? What is HCF? Highest common factor. Okay, there is a word which is common in between them. That is common. Common is common. What? Yes, common is common here. Can you see common is common? Any more commons here? No. I will explain you what are multiples. Do you know what are multiples? Yes. These are the result in every table. Whenever you read table, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. No, you don't write like this, right? Notation 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. These are called multiples of 2. What are factors? There are different kind of factors. Normal factors are there and there are prime factors as well. Prime factors are there because every factor can be written as prime factors. Okay, we'll come to the factors later on. Why we are taking only the least? Why not the highest common multiple? Why we are taking highest common factor? Why not least common factor? Have you ever thought about that? You have to think. If you don't think, I will teach. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, but you should know, because just don't go into the market and just take some math books and just get the answer. That's not how things goes in mathematics. Mathematics is a key factor in every exam, no doubt about it. Okay, prime factors. If you want to know the prime factors, first of all, you should know what are prime numbers. If you want to know prime numbers, you should know even and odd numbers. If you want to know even and odd, it will come from whole numbers. Whole numbers come from integers. Integers come from number line. We are back to square one. We have to come back to original form. This is where number line now you have to learn. Then you have to go to integers, then whole numbers, then even and odd, then you go to the prime numbers, then prime factors. Okay. Now I will take before. So in order to teach LCM and HCF, you should know these things. And many people don't teach you LCM and HCF. Many teachers, they don't teach you LCM and HCF as a part of number systems. They'll teach it as a different chapters. After they teach everything, then they will teach LCM and HCF. You don't know where to use. You have to learn it initially. Okay. Please make a proper note of it. We will go in a step-by-step sequence. I'll teach you each and everything. Don't worry about it. You know it, right? Don't worry about it. I am here. No fear. डान को पकड़ना नामुमकिन, राइट? बट मैथ्स को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं. हम पकड़ेंगे. We will catch it. Okay, fine then. What is a number line? First we will start with the number line. 0, 1, see, I say 1 and I write 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, ting, 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 plus infinity. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Tell me. Ting, 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 minus infinity. This is called a number line. As you already know, I taught you. I will teach everything that is useful to you. See, number line is useful now. You are familiar with number line. Okay. In this number line, all these numbers are called integers. Okay. So what are the numbers called integers? Minus infinity to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ding, 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 plus infinity. These all are called integers. Okay. Now, if you take from 0 to plus infinity, these are called whole numbers. Whole number has a whole. Whole means 0. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me. Ting, 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 ting. Plus infinity. These are called whole numbers. And if you remove this 0, because 0 is discovered by Aryabhatta. Now, if you, this is not natural number, this was discovered. Remaining numbers are natural. So from here to here, we call them as natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ting, 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 till plus infinity. Okay. Hope these all things are clear to you. Now, I am going to erase only this natural number. I hope you have noted it down. Why did I erase it? Because I want to teach you, what I want to teach? I want to teach you even numbers. Even numbers. First I will give you textbook definition. It is a number. Any number Usually integer, whole number. Usually we take only positive numbers, we don't take negative numbers in the, while explaining this odd and even concept. We always take positive. Okay, any number which is divisible by 2. It should be divisible by 2. Okay, odd number, any number which is here divisible we have written, right? Here we have to write not divisible by 2. What are these numbers? 0, yes. 2, 1, no. 2, yes. 3, no. 4, yes. 6, 8, 10 till 2n. Please make a proper note of this 2n. Okay, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity. Usually, why did I tell you natural numbers means n will be represented for natural numbers, but here this n is different. That n is different. That is a capital N. This is a small n. This n means all these numbers are whole numbers. Why did I take 0, 1 also? Why did I take? Here, why didn't I take 1? There is a reason. You have to substitute these numbers in this form. If you put 0 here, what you will get? 2 into 0, 0. So 0 is there. If you put 1 here, this will represent, this is very, very, very important notation. You will use in a whole mathematics. Whenever even comes, you will use only 2n. This form is very important. Not only n, you put anything, 2 into anything is even number. Okay. If you put 1 here, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 is there. 2 is there here. If you put 2, 2 into 2, 4. 4 is here. If you put 3 here, 2 into 3, 6. You will get each and every number using this notation and this value. Okay. What are the notations for odd number? Odd number, these are even numbers. See, you can, why did I write here divisible? I should have written as any number which is a multiple of 2. Why didn't I write multiple? Because multiple, whenever you take from 2 ones are 2. You don't take 2 into 0. So 0 is also an even number. In order to save 0, to include 0, we have written as divisible, not multiple. Hope you understand. The terminology is very, very important in mathematics. Okay. Now 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That means remaining numbers are not divisible by 2, right? What are the remaining numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, ding, 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 till plus infinity. You don't take plus infinity here, because sometimes it may give you, I didn't take here, right? Good boy, I am good boy. Come here. You have to take a notation 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1. There are two kind of n values here. If you take anything, you can take. But thing is that if you put some n value, you should get these all things. Now, here n should be n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. You can take any number and put here. But if you are planning to represent odd number as 2n minus 1, you have to take n value as 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Please make a proper note of this. Here n value starts from 1, here n value starts from 0. Okay, you make proper note of this notation. I'll help you with this. If you put 0 here, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, you get 1. If you put 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, you get 3. If you take this notation, you have to put 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 you will get. If you put 2 here, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, you get 3. Why didn't I take 0 here? If you put 0 here, what happens? 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 1. What will be the answer? Minus 1. But minus 1 is not in our list. That's why you take 2n minus 1, n value should be 1, 2, 3. We are not taking any negative numbers. We are taking only the positive numbers here. I hope this concept is very clear to you. Okay. Now, what should I tell you? I will teach you. I am going to erase this. Please make a proper note of this. Okay. I will not erase down below. Let it be there. Let it stay there. We want some space now. Okay. Now, if you take any number, normal you will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You select any 3 continuous numbers. These 3 or these 3. Any 3 numbers. Let us take these 3. 7, 8, 9. These 3. 2, 3, 4. These 3 numbers. 4, 5, 6. What is happening? You consider the middle number. Middle number is, this is 8 is even number. If 8 is even number, its neighbors 7 and 9 are, this is even number, neighbor numbers are odd numbers. Both the neighbors are odd numbers. If you take middle number as odd number, their neighbors both are even numbers. If you take odd number again, here also even number. Okay. Now, how do you represent this? How do you represent this? If you take 2n, this is even number, you have to, next number will be, you have to add 1 to this. 8 plus 1. It will give you 9, right? So 2n plus 1 you have to take. So if you subtract 1 from this, you will get 7. That means if you consider 8 as 2n, you have to subtract 1. That means this is 2n minus 1. If you take any 3 numbers and middle number is even number, the form will be 3 numbers will be like this. Okay? Or if you are taking 2n plus 1 odd number, next number should be, you have to add 1 to this, right? Because if you take any number, next number will be 1, you have to add 1. So we will add 1 to this. Okay? Here you have to subtract 1. 2n plus 1 minus 1. 3 numbers should be like this. This is one form, right? Here this is even number, this is odd, this is odd. Here in this form, this is odd, this should be even, this should be even. We will see whether we get even numbers or not, how the representation comes. That's what I want to show you. Okay, I have selected this 2n as odd number and I have taken two neighboring numbers. 2n plus 1, you keep it here, odd number. 2n plus 1 plus 1. 2 ones if you add, it will become plus 2. Here 1 cancel, you get 2n. That means if you take odd number here, both of them should be even number. 2n is even number, that is correct. This is odd number, this is correct. You have to check whether 2n plus 2 is even number or odd number. In order to make that, I will write this 2 as 2 into 1. 2 ones are is 2. Okay, 2 is there in this, 2 is there in this. I will take 2 common. Here n will be there, plus will be there in between, and then here 2 gone to the common, 1 will be there. I told you any number multiplied by 2 is even number. So you have to multiply this number with 2, that means this is also even number. If you take any odd, you have to get 2 even numbers neighboring. So you got. Okay, fine. So your representation is correct. Now I will take 2n plus 1. 2n minus 1. If I take 2n minus 1, next number should be 2n minus 1 plus 1 we have to add to get the next number. Any number, next number will be plus 1, right? The previous number will be 1 less, minus 1. Now you take this form, 2n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, this is 2n. This is 2n minus 2. So whenever you take odd number, neighboring should be even and even. So this is odd number we know, If you 2n is also even number we know already. 2n is even number we know. We have to check whether 2n minus 2 is even number or not. Right? This 2 what I will write into 1 I will write again. I will take 2 common. N will be there, minus symbol will be here, this 1 will come here. 2 into anything is a even number, I told you. That means this is also a even number. Okay, hope you are comfortable with these notations. Okay, clear? I have told you each and everything. Next step is only prime numbers are pending. These notations are very, very, very important to you. You can do number of operations on this, I will tell you later, but at least know 2n means it is an even number. 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1 is an odd number. I told you what are even numbers and odd numbers, right? Now, just now I have taken common, right? 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 into 2 I have done. I will show you one more time. There is this number 2n plus 2. What did I do? I just multiplied it with 1. I have taken common. Okay. How do you do these kind of things? I will take an example and I will teach you how to take commons. Taking common is very, very important concept in mathematics. How do you take common? 2 into 5 plus 4 into 7. If there is any number like this, okay, then you can take common. In additions you can take common. In subtractions you can take common. Can you take common in multiplications? If you take like example 2 into 5 into 4 into 7, can you take common here? We will verify. Come, please come. Here what you can take is, here 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. How do you say? 2 into 2. You have to know what are the numbers hidden in one number. Inside the 4 there is 2 into 2. There is 1 into 4 also. But you have to take a number as per your comfort, I told you. As per the requirement. Now we need 2. Already 2 is there. 5 is there among these two, not there. So what I will do, I'll take 2 as common. Whenever you are taking common, whatever number is left, if you take 2 away, then 5 is left over. Plus, you have take 4 means 2 into 2, 2 2s are there, but I am going to take 1 2 out. Only 2 1 2 will be left here, and 7 we are not touching, it will be here. Here there is nothing written, just bracket is there. That means sometimes you can write, or this is assumed as into. Never forget that. Okay. 2 into, bracket will be read as into always. 5 plus 2 7s are 14. Okay. 2 into 5 plus 14 is 19. I told you this means into, right? 2 into 19. What is the answer? 38. After taking common, whatever the answer you got, you have to re-verify whether it is correct or not. So you have to take the initial equation. 2 5s are 10 plus 4 8s are how much? 4 7s are 28. 10 plus 28 is 38. Whatever the common you have taken, it is correct only. Okay. How do you do here? There is 2 here, 2 into 5, 4 into 7. 4 means 2 into 2. If you try to take common here, 2, 5, there is a into here, and 2 you have taken, 1 2 will be left, and 7 will be there. Whether you can do this way or not, I am teaching you. I am not telling this is the correct way. Please make a proper note of this. Come, please come. Now, 5 2s are 10, 10 into 7. 2 into 10 into 7 is 70. 2 70 is 140. If you at any time if you have taken a common like this, okay, you have to re-verify your answer. We will go to the answer. 2 5s are 10 into 4 7s are 28. 10 into 28, 280. But what did you get the answer? 140. This means these two are not equal. So you can't do multiplication like this. You can't take common in multiplication. But if you want to take common, how do you take it? You don't take, if there is an equation like this, 2 into 5 into 4 into 7. This is not taking common. You bring all the similar numbers to one side. If you want to bring 2 here, you leave 5 here. You want to bring one more 2, please put the 2 here. And 5 will be here. 1 2 you already brought here. Other 2 is here only. 7 will be here. This way you can divide the number. Okay. And see whether this will give answer 280 or not. 2 2s are how much? 4. 4 into 5 into 2 into 7. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 2 into 7. 20 into 2, 40. 40 into 7. That is 280. See, we got this answer. So this is the correct method. Or sometimes you can bring one more 2 also here. And you can club them. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 also you can write. I hope now you got an understanding how to take common. Sometimes they will give you this kind of model also. 2a plus 6b. This kind of a and b also they will give. That time 6 has 2 into 3. Now you take 2 common. A will be there here. Among these 2 you are taken. Then 3 will be here. 3b. This is how you take common. I hope you are comfortable with this lecture and you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.